Okay, you can start.
Hi, I'm Katie Ferrer from Ferrer Family News, and I'm here in the middle of the hurricane. I'm in Herndon, Virginia, and as you can see, it's raining a lot. There's a lot of wind blowing. The wind speed is somewhere around 40 miles per hour, and it should get worse as the night goes on. Rain, several more inches of rain throughout the night, and for you kids, school is canceled tomorrow. School is canceled today, it's going to be canceled tomorrow. That's a 4-day weekend on the third week of school. As you can see, it's getting very windy out. Rain is coming down very quickly and very hard, and streets are rather dangerous. Everyone should stay in their house. Don't drive. Make sure you have like a first aid kit. Keep the emergency phone lines free. Only call 911 if you have a life or death type emergency. If you have questions about the hurricane, call your local information center. Don't call 911. It's getting very dangerous out of here. As you can see, the winds are picking up very quickly. Extremely dangerous. No one should be outside. I should not be here right now. I should go home. But I can't. I'm here for you guys and to keep you up to date on the hurricane situation. And that's it for now. This is Katie Ferrer for Ferrer Family News. Turn it off and put that.
Don't turn it off? Okay, go back.
It's raining. It's pouring. Hi, it's Katie Ferrer for Ferrer Family News. I'm back here at Ferrer Family News. The rain has picked up. It's getting very, very rainy. No one should be outside. There's absolutely no visibility here. It's impossible to see anything. Do not, I repeat, do not go driving. Do not go outside. It is very, very dangerous. You should not be outside. Make sure to take your kids to the basement. But if there's flooding, keep them on the middle level. In case of strong wind, you can head down.
Stop, Jackie.
It's very dangerous out here. It's extremely wet, very slippery. Try to stay inside as much as possible. Worst comes to worst, go to your neighbor's house. Do not go to the wind. Do not go. It's very windy. You do not want to be involved with this. We are in a hurricane. This hurricane is not at its worst. And I'm Katie Ferrer signing out for Ferrer Family News. Goodbye. That was so much fun. My turn. Ow. I already went. My eyeballs. The contacts that like fell out and went back in. That was so much fun. Oh my God. This doesn't feel right. No way. The best part is your card already went, so
Here, Katie. I had no paper.
I had no idea what to do.
Make sure to check the paper.
You're not even going to be able to do it.
don't know, but let me line you up, okay? That's good. Now tell about the day and say where you're at. You're at your house and stuff.
I'm in front of
Okay.
the Ferrer family house.